What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to pick up another John Deere 60. We're headed to a little town of Wisner, Nebraska, so come along for the ride.
There was actually a big sign too.
So here she is. We'll just get her loaded up now and bring her back to the farm. So we got her back to the farm. We're gonna go ahead, get her unloaded, drive her around and check her out a little bit. Well, here she is, and as you guys can hear, she definitely needs a little tune-up. We're gonna touch up them points a little bit. Yeah, this clutch is also making a little noise, pretty worn out. Looks like they put new plugs in it pretty recently. And this thing also, it's got power steering, you can see, but it's not wanting to work, so we're gonna see what they got cooking there for why our power steering is not working on it.
Looks like the shaft on the distributor is wore by, you can see the end play in it and the up and down movement of that shaft, which is going to change the points just by the movement of the shaft as opening and closing the points.
A couple other things we noticed here is this back brake. These bolts that hold it on are kind of loose. We're going to get them tightened up. It just had a little bit of wiggle to it there. Also got the fire extinguisher. I guess you got to be safe.
Oh yes. We're taking the toolbox out.
Toolbox is coming out. We're going to pop. We're leaking fuel pretty good out of our bowl here. We're going to pop that off of there. At least the gas doesn't smell too bad.
No, they put pretty fresh stuff in it though. That's actually really clean. Look at that, that's clean.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if that float's actually stopping it or what the heck the deal is. Maybe there's just some crud in there. That's crazy, it stops it. I mean,
so what we ended up doing is adjusting our float down a little bit to shut the fuel off a little sooner so the float wouldn't have to go so high. And that seemed to take care of our fuel problem coming out of the bowl.
We got kind of a dumb little switch in here, just to pull one. Seemed to help. So we're going to start checking out why this power steering ain't working. I'm going to pull this front pedestal. Normally I got the thing up here where you can check the fluid in it, but this one doesn't have that, so we're going to pull that front off of there and take a look down in there and see what's going on. And our favorite lubricant here,
Deep creep.
the old Deep Creep. So there she is. We got cooking. See if we got any fluid in this thing.
Nope.
Yeah, she looks pretty dry.
That would probably be the reason.
Yeah, see, there's There's where the full line is right here.
Oh wow, so it actually holds a fair amount.
Yep.
Kind of worried though with it not making noise, you know, that it, I don't know.
It'd be spraying everywhere.
That's gonna be a lot nicer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so all we had to do here was add fluid and power steering came back, and so far no leaks on it, which is kind of surprising really. I don't know why they would have ran it this long without adding oil. We got her back here, do some more small projects to her. But yeah, she's a runner, so we'll catch up to you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.